Hi guys, myself Swapnil. I'm very happy to be appointed as a batting coach for the Under 19 ZCA camp to be held at Rajkot. I'm really looking forward for this camp as I'll get an opportunity to work with the best and talented bunch of players coming from all across India. It'll be a great experience to share my knowledge with them and try to make them better players than what they are at the moment. Very much happy and very much thankful to Bcci, NCA and also Goa Cricket Association for constantly supporting me. I hope I get such kind of support in the coming years too, and I'm really looking forward for this camp. I'm sure this will be a very good camp for me personally to be with the best, and as I said, I'll give my everything, whatever I have, to make sure I develop players into the best possible way. Thank you.